If your lips are moving, if your lips are moving, then lie, 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 baby. If your lips are moving, if your lips are moving, if your lips are moving, then you lie, 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 baby. Boy, look at me in my face. Tell me that you're not just about this space. You really think I could be replaced? No, I come from outer space. I'm a classic girl, I'ma hold it up. You're full of songs about it and love. What we got is straight overdue. Go find somebody new. You can buy me diamond ears, something na 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 na. But it smells her on your collar, so goodbye, bye bye, bye bye bye. I know you're lying, your lips are moving. Tell me, don't you think I'm tough? I might be young, but I ain't stupid. Talking up a second spin, your tongue, I give you face. You give me sweet tongue, saying how I'm your number one. But I know you lie, your lips are moving. Baby, don't you know I'm done? Hey, baby, would you bring them tears? 'Cause it's too late, baby. Oh, you only love me when you're here. You're so two-faced, baby. You can buy me diamond ears, something na 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 na. But I smell her on your collar, so goodbye, bye bye, bye bye bye. Hey, I know you lie, your lips are moving. Tell me, don't you think I'm tough? I might be young, but I ain't stupid. Talking on a second spin, your tongue, I give you face. You give me sweet tongue, saying how I'm your number one. But I know you lie, your lips are moving. Baby, don't you know I'm done?
Mga kapamilya, Ella as Meghan Trainor!
Thank you po.
Wow! Alam mo, sobrang blessed ka.
Thank you po.
Sobrang blessed ka kasi ibang klase talaga ang boses mo. Pag nakikinig kami, talagang Meghan Trainor ang dating. Pero, Ella, hinahamon kita.
Sige nga po.
Gagawin natin ang Your Face Sounds Familiar Kids Edition, Minute to Win It.
Ah, sige po.
Isang lip-moving challenge to.
Wow.
Paunahan tayo na ibababa ang coin mula sa noo
Uy!
hanggang sa baba.
Opo.
Gawin nating 20 seconds.
Wow! Let's go, Ella! Kaya mo yan! Let's go!
Okay. Ilagay natin sa noo. Nandaya ba si Ella? Magpapakatotoo na ako yung nandaya, talo pa.
Pati ako ng daya!
Ang galing mo talaga, napatunayan mo, mahusay ka talaga. Kaya samahan mo ako dito, Ella. Tignan natin kung nagustuhan ba ng jury ang iyong performance
Good
ngayon as
evening
Meghan
po.
Trainor.
Hello, good evening!
Evening po.
Now let's start off with Kuya Gary.
Nabigla kaming lahat sa pag-rap mo. Kasi ang sarap pakinggan ng isang hindi rapper na katunog niya yung isang marunong talaga mag-rap. You followed the directions na binigay sa iyo ni Teacher G. Kampante ako. Ang galing talaga ng ginawa mo. Ang challenge ngayon, yung mga darating na linggo. You keep it up, okay?
Thank you po,
Remember
Sir
that.
Gary.
Ito naman pakinggan natin ngayon, Ate Shawi.
When she said na first time niya magra-rap, tapos nagawa niya, so you learned something new, right?
Opo.
So magagamit mo yan in the years to come. I'm so happy for you and I'm so proud of you.
Opo.
Ang worry ko sa mga darating na linggo, naku, pag na-assignan kaya to ng lalaki or something,
Alam mo,
feeling ko pa babae, kahit ano kaya
challenge
niya.
yun, pero palagay ko kaya pa rin
Kakayanin niya. Oo, kasi yung range, yung vocal range na malaki. So,
Yep.
siguro yung low register niya magagamit niya. We'll see. Pero tonight, this performance, believe na believe kami sa'yo.
Galing!
Thanks, Ate Shawi. Eto na, tignan natin kung anong masasabi ni Mr. Inner Ear himself, Ogie Alcacid.
Yung transformation mo. Can you imagine from Mega to Meghan? Di ba? Mega siya, tapos ngayon... Grabe! Palagay ko talagang na-master mo na eh. Yung inner ear, inner eye.
Ayan na, sabi ko na nga ba eh. Ipapasok mo pa rin yan eh, inner ear.
Outer face. Ella, congratulations. I cannot say anything more. Well done.
Thank you so much, jury. Ella, maraming salamat sa iyo.